Yeah, she was not expecting to see the president. I can say that. Yeah, and I don't know what to say. Let me just say thank you for the warm welcome, and thank you to the Kenyans who really supported me and cheering me wherever I was, in Rome and also in Florence. Yeah, I was with many Kenyans in Paris. I can say walinipea motisha mpaka nikaweka world record. I was not expecting that. I remember I told my coach, nani ataifunja rekodi ya 5,000? 14:06 is not that easy. It's not that easy. But sikuwa najua nitakuwa mwenye nitabreak hiyo rekodi. I'm still surprised. I can say like that. I don't have much to say, but thank you very much. As athletes, let me thank athletes also for accompanying me to here. Naeza lia yani. Yeah, asante sana. Asanteni sana kwa kukuja. Asante sana Mr. President kwa kunialika hapa na kunikaribisha nyumbani. Nime feel appreciated sana. And I'm the first one to be invited here as an athlete, so I hope nime motivate many athletes kujua kuwa kubreak rekodi utakaribishwa nyumbani vizuri sana. So nawaambia tung'ang'ane, to break records, tuchenge jina la country yetu iende mbele na let's run clean. Thank you.
Okay.